Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on how to add CSS into our HTML document. And right now we'll be discussing about the internal CSS. An internal style sheet may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style. The internal style is defined inside the style element inside the head section. For example, internal styles are defined within the style element inside the head section of an HTML page. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. As you can see right here, we are having our style element right here, and we give other things inside. We're having our opening and closing style element, as you can see inside our head element, right? And we give it different style that we want to use. So let me quickly show you how this works. Back to our code right here, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the external CSS. So right now we'll be discussing about we will remove this internal CSS, external CSS, and use internal CSS. To use internal CSS, you will need script file, style tag. This opening and closing style tag is going to help us. So now let's save our document. Let's reload. Can you see? Because we have removed our external style file, that's the reason why we are not able to see our style again. Now let's go back to our external file. Here is the file that we link in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial where we got the file. So now let's copy the file and place it inside here. Now when we save this file now, inside, as you can see, we don't have any external file right here that we link. We only have this. Let's remove everything that is here. So we only have this style tag, opening and closing style tag. Inside it, we are having our declaration, we are having our selectors and the declarations, as you can see. So let's reload this. Now let's save it and reload it. Then you are going to see it will come back. Can you see? Now our styles come back. That's how you can add something internally. The internal style is used it happens by using this style element. When you use this style element in your HTML document, then inside the head section, as you can see, we are having our opening and closing head section right here. Then you can place your style inside it. So this is called internal CSS style in our HTML document. So you can write anything you want to write. You can now style your document. As you can see, this is all our style. If you don't know how to style, you can check our previous tutorial on how to style your HTML document using CSS. So these are all our CSS files that we're using. Now let's change this green to blue so you can be able to know that this is working perfectly. Let's reload our document. Can you see? This is our border now. Change to what? Blue. So that's how it works. I want you guys to practice this because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time into our next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.